Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah guys, yesterday was Rosie's birthday. Ultimate love star Rosie celebrated her birthday yesterday and it was fun, it was lovely as she took to her Instagram page to also share with us stunning birthday pictures. Yeah, these are the pictures. She looked very sweet and beautiful in the picture. So still on the birthday celebration yesterday, fans of Rock Nation put together a birthday surprise for her. Yeah, they gave her a brand new SUV. It was lovely and the scene was mad, man. So this is a video from yesterday's birthday bash for Rosie, and it was helped put together by Kachi. Watch the video and see how it went down.
No, come this way, baby. Yeah. Come this way. This way. Just come this way.
Where?
This way.
Which way? Oh, Jesus.
Just wait first, baby. You will not fall. I'm here. I've got you, baby.
Where is the fountain behind me?
Which fountain? We want to enter, our room.
And let me lift my leg up now.
I will tell you when you're going to lift your leg. But you look awesome. Come on.
Thank you, honey.
Do you still want to see Chris?
Yes, and Chris.
And Chris.
Yeah.
You just want to see them?
Yes.
Why?
They're my family.
Pineapple?
Yes.
What are you doing, pineapple?
Baby.
Eh?
Why are we staying here now?
We'll soon climb. I'll tell you to take one. Baby, are you ready for this?
I don't. I just play the song.
I just play this song. Let's enter the bar. Let's enter the bar. We are locking it down. Queen Mother! Congratulations, Queen Mother. Who is gonna help me with this? Yeah. Can we take it inside? Can we take it inside? Yeah, let's take it inside. Who's gonna? Oh yeah, do re mi. We rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, party starter. Tell me, are you ready, yo? Woo! Queen Mother! That's my song, baby. Come on, I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear say you there with another man. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear you there with another man. Nobody, nobody. Nobody, don't wanna see nobody, nobody. Are you guys with me? We're locking it down here with Queen Mother. Hey, guess who is here, ladies and gentlemen? Lambo in the building. Lambo in the building.
Baby, happy birthday, this is for me,
Lambo in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Venita in the building, guys. Everything they enter body, everything they enter body, oh yeah. Venita in the building, ladies and gentlemen. We have Venita in the building. Oh,
Happy birthday, Rosie! Hey!
woo! I can see the vibration. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so
Carry me they go. Carry everybody. Everything they enter body. Oh yeah. Carry me they go. Everything they enter body. I hope you guys are having fun, ladies and gentlemen. We have Lambo in the building. Lambo in the building. Come on. Yeah, we're shutting it down. Lambo. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me, are you? She's like two at the same time. Yeah. Jolly good fellow. He's a jolly good fellow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, wow.
To be continued.
Yes, so party, party after party. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. We are shutting it down already. Okay, we had Venita in the building. Okay. So guys, she's about to enter her car. Yeah. She's about to enter her car, guys.
So before they start saying audio car. Before they say audio car.
This is not audio car, ladies and gentlemen. This is an SUV. An SUV, a sports utility vehicle. Brand new. A sport utility vehicle. Brand new. Baby, can I see your face?
That's your key. Yes, put the music.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Come on. Turn it on. Yeah.
My queen
I hope
mother.
you guys. Thank you so much, Rock Nation. Thank you so much. Thank you. We truly appreciate.
Thank you. Mwah. Kisses.
Yeah. This is not audio car.
This is not an audio car.
It's an SUV, a sports utility vehicle. Brand new sports utility vehicle. Yeah, as you guys can see. Courtesy of Rock Nation. Thank you so much, Rock Nation.
Rock Nation.
Their daddy. Thank you so much. Their husbands. Their husbands.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the Queen Mother. Turn off the engine, Queen Mother. Come on. Turn off the engine. It's a sports utility vehicle. Yeah, it's an SUV. Queen Mother.
Congratulations. Happy birthday, Queen Mother. I love you so much. Yeah, I love you so much.
Thank you. Oh, you guys have made my day.
So that's the Queen Mother over there with the saxophonist.
She looks so good.
Yeah, she looks adorable. Of course. Yeah. Do you have a choice? You have a choice. Yeah.
See my hot Queen Mother. See ya.
Party scatter. Let's turn it down. Let's turn it down. Okay, guys, let's proceed to the bar. Let's
Honey, but
proceed
let me
to
go
the bar.
upstairs first. Baby,
Huh?
my bag, where's it?
Oh, your bag.
My phone, everything is inside.
Oh, really? Ready? Is it on?
Yeah, guys, so still on the birthday celebration for Rosie. Her partner Kachi, Uchegu, who is known as I am Kachi Uchegu on Instagram, took to his official page yesterday to celebrate his partner's birthday. The ultimate love star Kachi shared a very beautiful photo of Rosie as he also penned down an emotional letter professing his love for her. Captioning the photo, he wrote, "On a hill far away, I wandered for ages for true love, but never realized how nigh you were. I am with you so much adore as I relish in your brilliance and wealth of knowledge. Thy soul is as beautiful as rose flower, just as thy meekness permits the hearts of many. Just as the bulge, thou shalt continue to stand tall among thy contemporaries and grow in abundance of wealth and in perfect health. Honey, unimaginable is my love for you. Happy out of the womb's day, my inner Murato. I will forever love you, my joy of inestimable value. Ash Roxy." Man, the letter is so mad. It's so crazy, man. There's so much joy in Kachi's eye right now. He's so happy. His heart is full of joy. He's celebrating his partner. And I know if you're a true fan of Roxy, I want you to take to the comment section and drop sweet words for Roxy and Rosie and Kachi. Enjoy the clips below.
Thank you so much, Rock Nation. You guys made it, as you can see. Building Queen Mother's younger brother. Yeah. That's Queen Mother's younger brother. Tosin, say shout out to Rock Nation.
Hi, Rock Nation.
Yeah.
Madu. Hey, God.
Like, you can say that again. Like, mad oh. Like, mad oh.
You took your time.
You look adorable. You look ravishing, baby. You look astonishing.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah.
I am breathless. I am speechless. I got a Lexus
Rock! Yeah.
Oh my God. Are you serious?
Yeah. I know you're overwhelmed, baby. I know you're overwhelmed. Is the AC off?
No, I turned it away.
Okay, can you turn it on, please? My baby cannot be sweating. For no reason. My baby should not sweat. Come on.
I'm going to Chris' room.
No. Oh, she's going to double Chris' room. I am following her. I am following her.
Girl. Hey, Chineke. Oh! It's a car. Daddy.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Double Rock.
Rock Nation.
We rock.
OMG.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Like, oh my God.
Oh God, that happened to his blessing.
Oh my God.
Where's the camera? Can you see?
Oh my God.
L. Elena.
No. It's an SUV. Yeah, it's a sport utility vehicle.
Exactly.
A sport utility vehicle.
Like Burj Khalifa.
Like Burj Khalifa.
Oh God.
I've always said it. You're gonna ride more than your contemporary.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Yes, I've always said it.
Amen.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So happy,
Guys,
Yes.
she is my innamorato.
Hey, Pedro.
Yeah, she is my Burj Khalifa.
Tell them.
Thank you guys for spoiling her.
Cheers.
I appreciate you guys, man.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you guys for spoiling her. with a sports utility vehicle.
Rock
and
Nation,
SUV.
we rock!
We rock.
Thank you.
We rock.
I am honored.
Yeah.
I am humble.
Yeah.
Guess what? I'm wearing swanky.
Cheese.
Swanky dressed me up tonight for you guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Swanky
Ladies and
Jerry,
gen-
I know you're there. I love you, and I love you.
Come on, we need to take a closer look at this dress.
Oh,
She is dressed by Swanky.
Jeez.
Swanky Jerry.
Check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Check
take a
it out.
look at this dress.
Check it out.
Take a look at this dress.
Check it out.
Shout out to Swanky Jerry.
Check it out.
You are an amazing personality. We bless you. We celebrate you, Swanky Jerry,
Yes,
for dressing my baby. You are amazing. Makeup.
Whoa.
Be Beyonce.
Beyonce, I love you.
Be
I love
Beyonce
the
makeup.
makeup.
Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to this makeup. This is awesome. It is breathtaking. Oh my God. She look. She
Take a deep
look.
breath. Hey, take a deep breath. Eh? Oh God. Take a deep breath.
I think we need to start the party.
I need water.
Oh
Double rock.
God. This is a massive celebration.
Exactly.
Massive celebration.
Yeah.
The best.
Yes.
The best.
Hey.
Thank you, Rock Nation.
God.
Thank you.
Rock
I'm
Nation.
so overwhelmed. Thank you.
Rock Nation, we celebrate you guys. The
Whoa.
Queen Mother has got an SUV. A sports utility vehicle. Come
Not just the
on.
car, bro.
Iowa.
As big as Burj Khalifa.
As big as Burj Khalifa.
You know.
I've always said it. She's as big, as tall as Burj Khalifa.
You know.
She's gonna be taller than her contemporaries.
Amen.
She is going to do exploits, guys.
Amen.
She is going to perform wonders, guys.
Please, I'm
Amen.
taking Chris to go and see my car.
Yeah.
And family, let's go.
Oh yeah. Hey, wait, let me hold on. It just finished. Hold up. So that car is for God. Hey.
I didn't even tell Chris View. I didn't tell him.
Don't worry.
I saw it and knew it was
Don't worry. We smelt it. Oh God, let go.
Oh my God. Gina, I kept saying, where's Chris?
I just came up.
Where's Chris?
I just came upstairs now. I just came to shower actually. Oh yeah, no, let's go.
Why did I drop my phone?
I gave you your
Yeah,
card, right?
keys.